In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to connect your Xbox controller to any TV so that you can go ahead and play games or even control your TV with your Xbox controller. Now over here, I do have a TCL Smart Android TV, but regardless of the brand or type of TV you have, whether it's a Sony TV, Hisense TV, Panasonic, LG or Samsung TV, or even a Google TV, by the end of this video, you should be able to connect and use any Xbox controller you have on your TV. So first things first, you have to turn on Bluetooth on your TV. So go ahead and get your TV's remote control and then navigate to the settings of the TV. Usually at the top right corner of the TV, you're going to see the gear icon over there. So navigate to the top right corner. If you're using a TV that is not an Android or a Google TV, you might be able to find this settings icon on the left hand side or from the main menu of the TV. In my case, it is just at the top right. So you want to tap on the settings or gear icon, and from the settings you want to locate the Bluetooth menu. For other TVs, you might have to go over to the connection or connectivity settings to find the Bluetooth settings, but for smart Androids and Google TVs like this one, you will just have to scroll down to remote and accessories, select on it, and now from the Bluetooth menu, you want to make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. So if you have the Bluetooth toggle button in your own TV, just go ahead and toggle it on. For smart Android TVs like this one, you will just have to tap on the add accessories option over here to actually turn on the Bluetooth. Click on OK, and now your TV is ready to connect and pair with any other device. So go ahead and get your Xbox controller, and at this point you just want to long press on the Xbox logo over here to turn on the controller for about 2 seconds, and you're going to see the light slowly flashing, meaning that it is not currently connected to any other console at the moment. But now, to put it on pairing mode so that our TV can find it, you want to go over to the top and you're going to find this pairing button over here. Long press on it and you're going to see the light on the Xbox logo flashing more rapidly now, and your TV should actually be able to find it. So just release it. Now you can see that my TV has just been able to find my Xbox controller. So you want to now get your TV's remote control. Go ahead and select the name of your Xbox controller. Now it is currently pairing, and just like so, both devices are now being connected. So if I go back to the Bluetooth menu, you can see that over here our Xbox controller is now connected, and at this point you can go ahead and play games on your TV, and sometimes you can even control the TV with your controller as well. So you can see that I can now control my TV with my Xbox controller. I can also go ahead and play the beach buggy game at the bottom over here. Okay, so this is me playing the beach buggy game on my TV using my Xbox controller. So if I press on the move button, you can see that it moves, and I can also use this to control it left and right, and it works absolutely well. Please let me know if this video was helpful and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.